Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, hello, my name is Andrea. Hope you stick around and check out some other videos. So as you probably already seen from the title of this video, today I have another Punk Rave unboxing, and today I will be showing you the Gothic fur trim long cloak. I am so excited about this unboxing because this is literally the most beautiful clothing item I have ever seen, and this package arrived in just 10 days and I've been dying to open it up, but I couldn't because time wouldn't permit for me to also film it while doing it, and I've been dying of curiosity with this laying around in my bedroom, but the day has come. So Punk Rave Australia sent me this item for the purpose of this review, but please bear in mind that all opinions are my own and I would never endorse something that I don't personally love and would wear. But before we open up the package, let's have a look at what this cloak looks like on Punk Rave Australia's website. This cloak is a one-size-fits-all, so I did not have to look up the measurements. Of course, because of that, I'm a bit worried that it'll be too big for me, but we'll see once we open it up and wear it. Of course, there are some garment measurements available here, so you can check them out before purchasing. But all in all, I was just taken aback by how elegant and just beautiful this cloak is. And I should stop talking now because I'm sure you're curious, but I am curiouser. To open up the package and see what it looks like. Let's see. There we go. So I just went ahead and cut up the top part. This is so heavy, you guys cannot imagine how heavy this is. And I will try and take it out of the bag. There we are. Here it is. Let's see. I'm always so anxious when opening up packages, just because I am clumsy at times and I don't want to end up cutting the actual garment because that would be so incredibly stupid of me. Okay. I managed to cut it open and I see that this has, I'm sorry for all the noise, but I see that this item has a different bag and not like the usual, Punk Rave bags. There goes the bubble wrap, and here is the cloak. My gosh, you guys, this is so big. There we are. Well, guess what? I think I have it upside down. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is the hood with the fur trimming over here. And we have a new sort of Punk Rave tag. I've never seen this one before, but I guess it's because this is an item from the newest collection. And this is so long. It's so long. And these are the little fur balls. Look at this. The cloak is made out of this gorgeous fabric that resembles brocade with velvet, but it's referred to as sculpture latitude fabric on Punk Rave Australia's website. Of course, the hood features faux fur and the arm slits also feature the same kind of faux fur. The front is decorated with two cute fur balls that help you tie the cloak shut. The only thing I'm missing on this is, of course, pockets. I really appreciate pockets on outerwear especially, and was quite put down due to them missing here. But of course, that's not a deal breaker by any means. I can always just carry a handbag, so I don't think that's a big issue. But I really adore the fabric. Just look at all the details of this. It's so beautiful and so soft, but also quite heavy at the same time. And I really love heavy clothing, from shoes to dresses and everything. So I just love having weight. That's so weird. I'm such a weirdo. Why would I say that? So these are the little fur balls that you have in the front that help you keep the cloak shut, and they tie over around your neck. And I am just trying to open these up because it's already tied, so I can see what the cloak looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. We got this wonderful label here, and this is the lining of the cloak. So I really love that it has a different kind of fabric on the inside, and the hood also has this sort of fabric on the inside. I love the hood. It's so big, you guys. I am literally going to try and put it on here so you guys can see. So this this is the hood, and it's so nice, you guys. I can just imagine wearing this, and it's snowing outside, and it's so great. I really love it, you guys. It's so beautiful. Bye bye now. Okay, so because I'm dying of curiosity and I just want to wear it and put it on, let's have a look at what the cloak looks like when it's worn. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you like the sort of videos that I make. A big thank you to Rave Australia for sending over this wonderful item. I cannot wait for it to be winter already so I can wear it and be overall fabulous during winter time. By the way, if you guys like this cloak and consider purchasing it, just check the description because most probably I have a discount code there for you. And yeah, thank you all for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye. The Gothic fur trim long cloak. Long? Uh-oh. You guys like this cloak, and